What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber here coming to you with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get these twists 100% dry. So this is what they're going to look like for the next few days, because I'm going to keep them in for about 3 days and then I'm going to take them out. Like, I can keep these in for like 2 weeks if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to. Just keep on watching if you want to see how I get this look. But first, let me just show you guys which products I use. First, I washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair, as always do that. So yeah, and then I used some of this Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner stuff that I always use. You guys have been seeing this a lot, so I always use that. Cantu leave-in conditioning cream stuff, but this is a different kind that I use today. It is the argan oil one. I normally use a different one, but I ran out, so yeah. So I used that on my hair, and I also used this Cantu Define and Shine custard. It kind of looks like a jelly. I think people normally would use it for like wash and goes, but I have 4C hair, so I don't wash and go nothing. So I used it on my twist out the last time I did it, and it looked super good, so I had to use it again. I'm telling you, it will define the hair and it will keep your hair twisted up for as long as you want. Also, I used some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil, because I ran out of my black castor oil, but I normally would use black castor oil. But yeah, so those are all of the products, and if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching this video. Also subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other videos you guys would want to see, and yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. Shampoo, condition, and deep condition. This is what it's looking like at this very moment. Super clean and ready to be twisted up. So as always, I'm going to section my hair. Before I section it into the half, I'm going to spray my Creme of Nature argan oil leave-in conditioner in my hair, and all of it. And then I'm gonna come here and do like medium-sized section, but I'm gonna put this into 2 twists. So take this section, put it up, and put this Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream with the Cantu Define and Shine custard. And then use the Denman brush. Do that, and bam. That's 1 twist, okay? Now, do it again. Bam. And another one. That's what it's looking like right now. Hope you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, and I want to listen to music, so you guys are just going to watch me do this while I listen to the music.
Wanna have my cake and another cake too. Even if the baker don't bake like you, even when the flavor don't taste like you. You need a loan, oh I'm a crutch now. I had to learn, I never had shoot. You never would split. You was hood rich. I couldn't get $1 from you. I remember that. It was blurry for a while, but now it's coming back, coming back.
All right. So this is one section done. I take a little bit of the oil. I always do this on the last section, and put that through my hair. It helps with the shine and just to keep it like frizz free and looking good for a few days. I could have done them smaller, but I really don't want to sit up here all day doing this. So these are fine the way that they are. So yeah, now I'm just going to do all the rest of the section.
The phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Jam, especially if he's the fan. He probably never wanna hear my shit again. And I need every single sound scan. But if you single and you down, then I'm
Alright, so this is the final look. I did it in 4 sections and they're all fairly even and it looks really good. Like I said, I'm gonna wear this for a few days and then I'm gonna take the twist out and then like just wear it out and then probably do something else like the day after or the day after that. I'm gonna show you guys close up what it looks like. So here are the twists for her. And in the back, when they dry, they're still gonna basically look the exact same way. So you're not gonna have to worry about that. But this is the final look. It looks really good because I trimmed it, so it's all it's even. It looks good. It looks good. It's a look. It is a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products will be linked in the description box below. If you have hair kind of like mine, then they will work for you. Also, if you don't have hair like mine, most of these products will work for you too, because my sister has completely different hair than me and she uses kind of the same products too, and it works. So yeah, just try it out and see what works for you. And yeah, this is the look. It is a look. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see, and you can follow my social media if you want. And yeah, I think that's about it. So see you guys in my next one.